DJI Mavic Air 2 drone quadcopter UAV with 48MP camera, 4K video, 8K hyperlapse, 1/2 CMOS sensor, 3-axis gimbal, 34-minute flight time, active track 3.0, OcuSync 2.0, gray. About this item. Up your GAME, the Mavic Air 2 camera drone takes power and portability to the next level. It combines a powerful camera with intelligent shooting modes for stunning results. Push your imagination to its limits, because aerial photography has never been this easy. Next level content: capture impressive 48MP photos with a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor, while the 3-axis gimbal provides 4K/60 FPS video. The secret to incredible HDR video is a high-performance quad Bayer image sensor. OcuSync 2.0 has a video transmission distance of up to 6.2 miles/10 kilometers and can also deliver 1080p FHD resolution livestream directly from the drone's camera. Improved flight: an impressive flight time of up to 34 minutes allows you to pull off epic, fast-paced shots. Obstacle sensing in 3 directions makes it extra convenient for beginners and improves safety for your Mavic Air 2. Intelligent tracking: Mavic Air 2 features intuitive shooting functions that make aerial photography easier than ever. Spotlight 2.0 keeps the camera locked on a subject while you fly freely. Active Track 3.0 keeps subjects centered. Point 3.0 tracks moving subjects like people and vehicles. App compatibility: the DJI Fly app requires iOS version 10.0, Android version 6.0, or above. Compatible devices include iPhone 11 Pro Max, 11 Pro, 11, XS Max, XS, XR, X, 8 Plus, 8, 7 Plus, 7, SIXS Plus, SIXS, 6 Plus, 6, iPad Pro, 9.7 foot, iPad Air 2, 9.7, iPad Mini 4, 8, iPad Pro, 10.5, iPad Pro 2018-11, iPad Pro 12.9, Samsung Galaxy S20, S10 Plus, S10, S9 Plus, S9, S8 Plus, S8, S7 Edge, S7, S6, Note 10,